Hi, this is Sufri. Welcome to PSLE Math Hacks. Today, we'll be talking about geometry. In particular, we'll be trying to solve unknown angles in geometrical figures such as triangle and rectangle. Did you know? Many of the objects and buildings around us are in different geometrical shapes. For example, the school field at your school is in a rectangular shape. Before it is being constructed, the construction workers need to know the exact angles of the rectangular field. I'm sure you would not want to play in a school field like this. Can you name other objects in the shape of a rectangle or a triangle? Great! We have identified everyday objects in different geometrical shapes. Now, hold on a second. What is an angle? Well, an angle is formed when you have two straight lines meeting at a common point. It is not about the amount of space. It is about the amount of turns when the two lines meet each other. How then can we find unknown angles in different geometrical shapes? Let's look at triangles first. Find the unknown angle A. Over here, we have to identify that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Two ticks represent an isosceles triangle. Hence, the base angles are equal. So, we take 180 degrees minus 67 degrees minus 67 degrees to give us 46 degrees. We also apply the sum of all angles in a triangle, which is equal to 180 degrees. Hold on! If my answer turns out to be 146 degrees instead of 46 degrees, does my answer make sense? Now, look at the angle again. Is the angle bigger or smaller than 90 degrees? Well, visually, we can tell that the angle is smaller than 90 degrees. Hence, does it make sense for the answer to be 146 degrees? Well, no. 146 degrees is bigger than a right angle. Hence, your answer is not correct. The actual answer should be 46 degrees. In the figure, there is an isosceles triangle joined by a straight line. Now, pause the video and find angle ACD. The answer is 124 degrees. Well, as you can see from the figure, it is an isosceles triangle. With one base angle being 62 degrees, the other base angle will be the same. Now, to find angle BCA, we take 180 degrees minus 62 degrees minus 62 degrees to give us 56 degrees. This is applying the properties of a triangle, where all the angles add up to 180 degrees. After finding angle BCA, we can then now find angle ACD. We take 180 degrees minus 56 degrees to give us 124 degrees. This is applying the properties of angle on a straight line, which is 180 degrees. Let's try something slightly more challenging. Rectangles. Here is an example to find the unknown angles in rectangles. ABCD is a rectangle, GC is equals to CB, and FGB is a straight line. Find N. Pause here and give it a try. Well, the answer is 40 degrees. If you study the figure, you will see there are some triangles and a rectangle. The rectangle is ABCD and the triangles are BFA and CGB. Aha! That also means we need to apply the properties of these two shapes. Let's first start by finding the angle of BFA. First, we need to take 180 degrees minus 115 degrees. This will give you an answer of 65 degrees. This is applying the properties of angle on a straight line, which is 180 degrees. Once you have found angle BFA, we also have to identify angle FAB. As this is a rectangle, all the angles are right angles. So, angle FAB is equals to 90 degrees. Now, to find the last angle of triangle FAB, we take 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 65 degrees. The answer would be 25 degrees. This is applying the properties of triangle where all the angles add up to be 180 degrees. Once we have found angle FBA, we can then find angle CBG. Again, we apply to a property of a right angle which is 90 degrees. Hence, angle CBG is 90 degrees minus 25 degrees to give us 65 degrees. Since angle CBG is one of the base angles of the isosceles triangle CBG, the other base angle is also 65 degrees. Hence, to find angle GCB, we take 180 degrees minus 65 degrees minus 65 degrees to give us 50 degrees. Hence, to find angle N, we take 90 degrees minus 50 degrees to give us 40 degrees. This is also applying the properties of a right angle, which is 90 degrees. Math is a very creative subject. You need to be able to visualize and imagine well in order to identify certain patterns. This will help you in your problem solving. We hope you've enjoyed today's PSLE Math Hacks. Share with us your comments and always find the joy in learning.